National 40-ounce week, but we're drinking Milwaukee motherfucking best ice. We'll set this guy on the computer. This is my boy D666shadow. Give him a shout out, bro.
Hey.
Hey, hey. You ready? Look at this foamy ass bullshit.
Got here.
Gotta go pick up this can and be respectful.
Oh, yeah.
Here he goes. My nigga. BDU, 40-ounce motherfucking crew. That's what I'm talking about. You hear me?
Yeah, my stomach's full. About enough of that.
I want to see how fast you can run over there to that fence and run back.
Absolutely not. I don't run.
You want to give a shout out?
No. I want to fucking
Watch your channel, dude. Tell them you want them to see your channel.
I don't have a channel yet because I got to get you cam. And then I'll make videos of action-packed fucking mini bikes, crotch rockets, and all that good stuff.
Can you guys see how glassy his eyes are and see how fucked up he is? That's because he hit the bowl one time. I mean, it was green, though. It was green tobacco.
Just changed the oil in the Katana, royal purple, and thinking about getting a helmet cam so I can make some high speed on the way to work on 475 videos, 120 between traffic on shoulders, all that wild stuff people like to see. Maybe I'll crash, maybe I probably won't. But maybe you'll see some shit eventually. I gotta get a helmet cam. For now,
Crush it, bitch. D666shadow has left the motherfucking